Hey there! In this review, I'm going to break down a course that claims to reveal Google's hidden ranking factors and help you get to the top of search results without guesswork. Stick around because I'll also go over all the upsells, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years of experience in SEO and online business. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to grow your traffic and income. So if that sounds good to you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you grab PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms through my link below. Check the description. You don't want to miss them. What is PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms? So, what exactly is this course? PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms is a step-by-step SEO training that breaks down the ranking factors behind Google's algorithm. It's designed for anyone who wants to rank higher, whether you're an affiliate marketer, blogger, or business owner. It covers everything from keyword research and on-page SEO to backlink strategies, technical SEO, and even voice search optimization. And the best part? No fluff, no outdated tactics, just proven strategies that actually work. What stood out to me? Here are some of the standout features that caught my eye. Checkmark Google algorithm breakdown. Learn exactly how Google ranks sites and what you can do to stay ahead. Keyword research mastery. Find profitable keywords with low competition to rank faster. On-page and off-page SEO. Get a complete strategy for optimizing content and building powerful backlinks. Technical SEO made simple. No need to be a tech expert. Learn how to fix indexing issues, improve site speed, and boost rankings. Voice search and mobile SEO. Future-proof your site for the rise of voice search and mobile-first indexing. Basically, this course covers everything you need to go from struggling with SEO to actually seeing results. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Go through the training and understand Google's ranking factors. Step 2. Apply the keyword research, on-page, and backlink strategies taught inside. Step 3. Optimize your site for technical SEO, mobile and voice search to stay ahead of the competition. Step 4. Watch your traffic grow as your rankings improve. No complicated software, no guessing, just real strategies that have been tested and proven. PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms, OTOs, upsells. Now let's talk about the upgrades you'll see after buying the main product. Pro Upgrade unlocks additional training on advanced SEO strategies. Done for you package. They'll set up everything for you, saving you time. Reseller rights. Sell the course as your own and keep 100% of the profits. SEO tools and resources. Access exclusive tools to speed up your SEO workflow. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. Pros and cons. My honest take checkmark. Beginner friendly and up to date. Perfect for both newbies and experienced SEOs. Real, actionable strategies. No fluff. Just practical steps to rank higher. Covers technical and advanced SEO. Goes beyond just keywords and backlinks. No magic button. This is a real SEO training, not some instant ranking hack. Would love more case studies. Some live ranking examples would have been great. Final verdict, should you get it? So, is PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms worth it? If you're serious about ranking higher on Google and getting free organic traffic, then yes, it's a solid investment. If you're looking for a shortcut to ranking overnight, this isn't for you. SEO takes time, but with the right strategy, you can dominate your niche. You can grab it using my link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my PLR secrets of the leaked ranking algorithms review. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and SEO tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest SEO struggle? I'd love to help.